Hello and welcome to SwiftCoin, the crypto trading bot that helps you earn more profits with less risk. In this video, we will show you how to set up your SwiftCoin account and start trading in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a personal account on SwiftCoin. To create a personal account on SwiftCoin app, click on the Personal button. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as your email and password. If you have a referral code, please enter it here. Then, click Send to receive an email verification code. You will receive a verification OTP to activate your account. Enter the verification code you have received to complete the verification process. Now you can log in to your account. It will lead you to our dashboard, where you can see your balance and performance. Step 2. To use SwiftCoin, you need to verify your identity. This is to ensure the security and compliance of our platform. To verify your identity, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the dashboard. Go to Profile and fill out all the required entry fields, such as your address and date of birth. Then, choose your identity document, such as your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Select any one of the certification types and fill out the ID number and click Continue to proceed. Next, you need to upload a photo that shows the front of your ID document clearly. Then, upload a photo that shows the back of your ID document clearly. Finally, capture a photo of yourself holding your ID card in your hand and upload it. Congratulations! You have completed the process. We are working on approving your verification. It may take up to 24 hours for us to review your documents and confirm your identity. Thank you for choosing SwiftCoin. Happy trading!